Hello and welcome to VentureVerse. In today's digital age, navigating the Web3 world can be overwhelming. Many users struggle to find safe, reliable information and connect with the right projects. Most marketing agencies often rely on task farming, delivering little value and leaving genuine engagement behind. At VentureVerse, we solve these challenges by delivering the latest and safest Web3 information directly to you. We connect Web3 users with the right projects, ensuring that newcomers and experienced enthusiasts can thrive. Engage in fun games that reward you with crypto and NFTs. Earn exclusive NFTs that add value to your Web3 journey. Learn the fundamentals of blockchain, DeFi, NFTs, and more, making Web3 accessible for everyone. Experience a new era of Web3 marketing and community engagement. Claim your free VentureVerse membership NFT now.